DFM Company sees a 124% profit surge, and Alphabet reports its best result in its 26-year history. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramya Faraj. Dubai Financial Market Company saw a 124% surge in 2023 net profit to $89.7 million, driven by more trade, strong capital inflows, and an influx of new investors. Last year, the DFM onboarded nearly 63,000 investors, 73% of whom were foreigners. The DFM General Index surged 21.7% last year. Kuwait unveiled its 2024 to 2025 draft budget with a projected deficit of $19.2 billion. That's 13.5% lower than the current fiscal year's estimate. Kuwait projects total revenues of $60.7 billion for the fiscal year starting April 1st, a 4.1% drop from the current year's estimate. Starbucks reported an 8% year-on-year rise in its fiscal Q1 net revenue to a record $9.4 billion, but it cut its annual sales forecast, citing a significant impact on traffic and sales in the Middle East. It says this spilled into the U.S. as well, with protests and boycotts there. Big tech earnings came in overnight, and Alphabet reported the highest quarterly revenue and profits in its 26-year history, with $86.3 billion in Q4 sales. Its search advertising unit saw a record $48 billion of revenue. The results help quiet concerns over Microsoft's ability to poach Google users with its Microsoft Bing search engine, which incorporates ChatGPT. Microsoft, meanwhile, beat Wall Street estimates for Q2 revenue as new AI features helped attract customers to its cloud and Windows services. Revenue grew 18% to $62 billion in the quarter ended December 31st. Microsoft shares climbed 57% last year, along with the broader tech stock rally. Samsung Electronics saw a 34.6% drop in Q4 operating profits to $2.1 billion as it struggles with weak demand for consumer devices. Q4 sales dipped 3.8% to $50.8 billion. Samsung blamed weak demand but offered an optimistic outlook for this year. China's factory activity contracted in January for the fourth consecutive month as Beijing struggles to find ways to jumpstart its sluggish economy. The PMI came in at 49.2 in January, a slight improvement from the 49% recorded in December, but still below the 50-point mark separating expansion from contraction. Media entrepreneur Byron Allen has submitted a $30 billion offer for Paramount Global, including debt and equity. Paramount Global has yet to comment on the offer. Officials say they believe the offer is the best solution for all Paramount Global shareholders and should be taken seriously and pursued. And a Delaware judge has voided Elon Musk's $55.8 billion compensation package, siding with a Tesla shareholder who claims Musk is overpaid. She approved the annulment of Musk's humongous 2018 compensation agreement. In response, Musk took to X and wrote, "Never incorporate your company in the state of Delaware." I'm Ramya Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.